Hi there everybody, it's Tracy and it's Tip Tuesday. Today I have got a tip on 10 things that you must do to move forward. And this is inspired by a Facebook meme that I read and said, oh boy, we need this one. Number 1, letting go of opinions of other people that control your life. It's not what others think, it's what you think about yourself. So hold on to that. Number 2 is the shame of your past failures. Well, if you've been with a narcissist, now you have had a nice red mark against you in the relationship column. But this is not a failure. This is not something that you need to hold on to. This was a chapter of your life. Get past it. Learn from it. What did you learn? Okay. Number 3, things to move forward is to being indecisive about what you want. You will never leave where you are until you decide where you'd rather be. Set goals. Set up what will your world look like. Number 4, procrastinating on the goals that matter to you most. This is when we sort of self-sabotage ourselves and we have a choice. We set up a goal and we firmly stand by that and we do it. That makes us stronger. If we procrastinate on the things that are going to help us, we hurt ourselves. And trust me, when you're in PTSD, when you've been brain fucked like we have, it's real easy to just go, oh, God, I'm not doing that. I have too much to do. What's that going to do? Set yourself a goal and do it. Number 5, choosing to do nothing. You don't get to choose how you're going to die. It says you can't decide how you're going to live. So every day, every single day is a chance for good things to happen, an abundance to happen. You know, the people that you need are going to be brought into your life. So believe that. Number 6 is you need to be right. Aim for success, but never give up that you might be wrong. Hey, we were wrong if we married a narcissist, but that doesn't mean that we're going to be fooled again. Running from your problems that should be fixed. Don't run from them. Learn from them. Educate yourself. You are a much better person if you learn from your mistakes. We know that. That's like 4th grade stuff. And number 8 is stop making excuses rather than decisions. Long-term failures happen because we make excuses. We need to make answers. Number 9, overlooking the positive points in your life. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. I can't even tell you how much this will change your life. If you cannot see things that you are grateful for, and I don't care if it's the one sweater you have and you're cold, be grateful for it. Be grateful that the sun comes out and that you can take a walk outside. Look at the trees, the grass, the sky, the squirrels. You can find something to be grateful for. And number 10, not appreciating the present moment. That goes back to taking the walk and appreciating everything that you see. A cool cloud formation, whatever it is. 10 tips that you must do before you can move forward. Rock on. You guys got this.